Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix overheating while gaming on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First of all, if you are using the phone case, then remove it before starting a game to improve heat dissipation of your smartphone. If your game allows you to also lower the game settings, it will significantly impact the load on your device's CPU, which will result in temperature lowering of your smartphone. Besides, go to the recent applications menu to open the recent tabs and close all applications, all unnecessary applications that you have here, as they will work in the background and consume additional resources on your smartphone. And besides, also make sure that you have the virtual RAM expansion enabled. To do that, go to settings. In settings, select about device. Then make sure that in RAM you have 8 GB of RAM expansion. This will outrule the RAM insufficiency on your smartphone. And the last thing that you should do is enable the special mode in your game. So after starting your game, enter your game engine or game center. Basically, just open the game menu in this game and change the gaming mode to low power mode by selecting low power mode right here. And selecting the low power mode will minimize the resources consumption. However, it will also affect your device's productivity during the game, which will result in lower FPS. But as your device will use less resources, it will overheat much less than usual. And that's how you can fix this issue. And one important note is, do not game on your phone while it's charging, as this will put an additional load on your device's battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.